Babe, do these pants make my ass look fat?
Yeah.
What? I said yeah.
I like big butts and I cannot lie.
Here we go. She doesn't want to.
No, you can't kiss me. Aww.
Sup? Hi, I'll see you around. Alright, cool.
Oh, you guys are such a cute couple.
Oh, no, actually, no. Oh, God. Oh,
we're
that's
just friends.
Disgusting.
Well, he looks at me, and I look at him, and he looks at me, and I look at him, and he looks at me, and I look at him.
About with the boys?
Have fun.
Fun.
I love you, Sally.
I like Timmy now.
But I gave you goldfish.
He gave me a cookie.
Oh, a whole cookie.
There's no such thing as ghosts. Okay, that's a ghost. Yo, do you have paper towels? Yeah, right up there. You know I love you, right? I love you too.
All the hot guys are either taken or gay.
I am right here!
A massive party. There's like 500 people.
Did you guys see the little BMW I got? Is this one?
Anyway, guys, so what else you want to say?
Max, can you pretend like you're Morgan Freeman coming to kill me?
I can smell you.
What the f*** I look like crying over some that don't want me when I could be mouth harassing a hamburger? Bitch!
Gee! No one ever asks how the table feels.
Hey, spell me, okay? M-E? You forgot the D. There's no D in me. Not yet.
Do you like waffle?
Work, 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 work. You see me, I be work, 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 work. You see me, I be work, 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 work.
I love watching the waves.
I'm in love with you, Brandon.
Okay, I'll meet you guys out there in a sec. Oh, hey, babe?
Yeah?
Never mind.
Sure.
Don't look now, but the guy behind you's picking his nose.
You mean that guy? Him? You mean this guy? This guy right here? Okay, kids, what did you guys do over the week? Why are you doing that? Why did I choose this job?
And then I slit her throat!
This is fun.
You know we could have even more fun upstairs in my bed.
You're so right.
Yep.
What is the matter with fangirls? Always screaming at boys they love. I love toast, but when it pops up, I'm not like.
Come on, y'all.
Greg, you'll be alright. Touch me again, I will kill you and your fucking family.
Alright.
Wanna see what I can do with my hand? No thank you. What are you doing? Oh, hell no.
Oh shit, I'm late. Oh yeah, it's summer. I ain't gotta do shit. Fuck everybody.
She.
What's he do?
Yes.
What?
Fake.
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you.
One of my twists, nigga. Unless you want the dick.
Unlock the door, Joseph. No. You locking doors, Joseph? You locking doors, Joseph?
Oh, I think that I found myself a unicorn. How did you get into my house?
Why are you crying?
Hi.
I've got the magic in me.
Daddy, can you pass me the salt?
Alright, Danny, you're gonna be partnered up with Brittany. Hey, Brittany, I'm Danny.
Rachel is so annoying.
I heard you were talking shit about me.
What the fuck?
Your remote's dead.
No, you're just not doing it right. Check it! Here we go! It's been 3 hours!
This woman is my destiny, she said.
Shut up. Shut up.
What? Whoa! Room service? You didn't even knock!
Oh, I don't work here.
What?
I'm bringing sexy back. The mother boys don't know how to act.
Damn, girl, that booty hole feeling right tonight. Mind if I wreck it?
Yo, Grant, I got this idea for a vine about when somebody you don't like tries to talk to you.
Watch him. Motherfucker! Use your goddamn blanket next time! Oh, man, shit, nah, nigga, nah! Motherfucker!
Hey, yo, girl. Hey, mommy. Hey, oh my gosh. Come on.
What? Can't believe they think they're the cuter couple.
We'll show them.
We're totally cuter.
Oh, yeah.
You think you're cuter than us?
Yep.
No way! Seriously!
Do you even lift, bro?
Hold up.
Honey? Yeah, babe. Do you wanna have kids?
The fuck? Good day, sir. How are you feeling today?
I'm pretty happy.
Ah, so you're feeling gay.
I'm not fucking gay, dude.
Do you want pepperoni or sausage?
Whatever's gluten-free. Okay, well none of them are. Okay, well then I don't want pizza.
With your stank ass, looking like Ed from Goodfellas with your smelly ass.
Shut up! Bro, chill out. She's a girl.
As he came in through the window, what's the sound of? Shut the fuck up.
Man, I was killing that shit.
Killing my eardrum.
Kardashian just posted a buck naked.
Stop looking at my girlfriend.
I'm not.
Boom!
Come on, man, show us something.
No, it's embarrassing.
Do something.
Shit.
Class, what comes after 69?
Oh!
Lance?
Mouthwash!
Get the fuck out! It's time to play. Who stole the drugs? Was it me?
Was it me?
I think it's him. Fucking pink fairies everywhere.
How can I get my crush to ask me out? Well, you know how everyone always says be yourself? Well, don't do that.
Well, I had a really great time and...
Quiet girls be like,
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
stop touching me! Stop touching me!
Hey! Look who's back!
Your hair is different. You changed your hair. I can't take this. I'm out.
Get the back!
Was this just a prank?
Yeah, was that just a
I don't
prank?
think it's very funny.
Yeah, it's not very
Don't
funny.
waste my time like this.
Yeah, don't waste her time like that. I'm coming for you next. If you tell Senpai, I will destroy you.
The food was great, thanks.
Perfect, so we'll see you next time.
Okay, love you.
I love you too.
Go suck a dick, suck a dick, suck a motherfucking dick. Suck a dick, suck a huge or small.
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening! Everybody stay calm!
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay calm.
everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm down!
Okay, remember what Rue said. Fuck.
Look great. Could you not? You know I look like a fat piece of roadkill. Okay, damn! You look like shit!
I'd shower you with coconut cream pie.